Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the range and the domain of this function in here. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have log base number 2 of s. We know that about this one in here. S should be greater than number 0. So this one that should be about the domain. About the range. So we need to use about the limit. So when s approaches to number 0 on the right, because s is greater than number 0 of the function log base number 2 of s, this one they will go to negative infinity. And now we can use about the limit when s approaches to positive infinity, and we always know that this one they go to positive infinity. So the range of this one that should be about from negative infinity to positive infinity. And now the graph of this one that should be like this. So when s equals to number 1, you got number 0 for this function in here. So the graph they will go in this way. When s equals to number 2, log base number 2 of number 2 equals to number 1. And here is about the graph of this function in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.